Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite YouTuber. As you can see in the title, I am at Princess Grand Resort and I'm going to give you a room tour of my Princess Junior swim out, and this is a 360. Isn't it beautiful? So the shower door is semi-privacy. I love that about it. So if you're going to share this space with a family member, a friend, have that form of privacy. I love that. And over here, I love these LED mirrors. I love them. And we also have some essentials. So I have a shower cap, soap, and a vanity kit. Okay, body milk. Okay, that's cute. Love that. We also have bath gel, shampoo. So let me show you how everything is looking. You can see how comfortable this is. Wow. Okay, and over here we have, let me see what's inside. All right, so we have our safe, and on this side we have a fridge. So we have our sodas. We also have some Welch, okay, or Red Stripe. So that's it. And over here we have all our tea items and our coffee maker. We have some snacks, some Jamaican snacks, and we also have our water. Also have this ice over there. Okay, so this is how everything is looking. All right, so on this side there is an iron board, iron. Also have a laundry bag or hangers. Oh, and there is also an umbrella. Wow. Okay, and we have our bed slippers, and now up here we have a extra pillow. Okay. Okay, let me see what's on this side. So on this side, more space to hold all your clothes. So if you're on a long vacation, yes, you're gonna need all of these drawers. And we have 8 of them. So you can also put your traveling bag, your suitcase. You can put it inside here. Okay, I love this. I love it. Let me show you guys how it looks. Very clean. Look, you wouldn't even know that something is behind those doors. I love that. All right, so I still haven't unpacked, so I'm giving you guys this room tour before I even unpack. Right, so this is where I'm going to put one of my suitcase, and I might put one in the next side, the space that I just showed you. And this is the bedroom. You have a nice cozy lounge chair right here. I love this. So this is a nice long lounge chair. And this is the setup for the bedroom. So you have a overhead night light, or should I say lamp? Yes, it's a lamp. So it's an overhead. Okay, and you have two nightstands, so on both sides. And this is a king size bed. It's very huge. And I also get a robe. No, this is going to be very comfy. So we have the overhead night light on both sides. Yes. Okay, and over here we have our sofa. And we have our small table over here in the corner. So this is it. I love it. It's very clean. I love the modern looks that it has. I love it. And this is my TV. Ah. So behind it there's it's a LED. Like, I love this. I love the contrast of the lighting underneath and at the sides. I love this. Okay, and this is the moment that you guys have been waiting on. All right, so this is outside. Oh my god, isn't it beautiful? So this is in the night, isn't it gorgeous? Just imagine sipping on something around 12 midnight. This is just a moment. I love this. So this is how the room is looking from this angle. And guys, please remember to leave a like on this video. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. I'm also going to do other tours, other reviews. So if you want to stick around, just subscribe to the channel and join the family. And thanks for watching, guys. Guys, this is how the Princess Junior swim out looks in the daytime. So over this section you have these curtain that you can pull for privacy. So this room still gives you that privacy that you would want. And over this side, I'm going to show you from this end. Okay, so this is how it looks from this end. So I'm going to go out and show you how the swim out looks